Friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we have part 8 of the unboxing, and this is the second to last episode. In the next video, we'll open everything completely and finish this series. If you missed the previous episodes, go watch them and don't forget about the giveaway from part 1. You need to guess how many watches were inside all 4.5 boxes. And after the next episode, part 9, we'll pick a winner using a random generator. So make sure you participate. You still have a chance to win. All right, let's begin. First watch today. Orient Multicalendar. Already a classic in this collection. And right away, wow, this is a Panerai. Very interesting. Write in the comments, original or fake? I think it's probably a copy, but it looks really well made. Need to check it. Next, Poljot alarm watch in a gold-plated case. Then, brand new Vostok in box. Next, Orient 3 Star. Later I'll make a video counting all 3 stars from the entire collection. Next, Orient Multicalendar with a white dial. And again, Orient 3 Star, very beautiful dial. Next, Vostok Amphibia. And another Amphibia, different case. Then again, Orient 3 Star. By the way, after the final video, all watches will be listed on eBay. Next, Vostok Amphibia Sniper. Very interesting dial. And wow, another painted dial, a beautiful woman. Next, Luch Quartz, electromechanical. Then again, Vostok Amphibia, great dial. Next, so-called Raketa Rolex case. And this is unexpected, Amphibia with Yoda. That's crazy. Do you like Star Wars? Next, Orient Tachometer. Then Poljot Quartz, perfect condition. Then more Vostok Amphibia. And another one, almost perfect condition, very accurate. Next, Raketa, 1950s, beautiful post-war piece. Then, women's Montblanc. Do you think it's original? And again, painted dial. Look at that artwork. A lot of people are already asking about these. Next, vintage G-Shock. Then again, Orient 3 Star. Next, Vostok Komandirsky. And wow, Raketa, 50 years of October gold-plated. Rare piece. Next, Orient Multicalendar. Then Arsomatic, Swiss automatic. Need to check value. Next, Poljot Olympic 80. Beautiful. Then Raketa Multicalendar. Again, painted dial, girl on a motorcycle. Very nice. Next, Slava, needs restoration. Then Raketa, good condition. And, wow, another painted dial, pinup art, 1950s. Very beautiful. Next, Orient College. Then Vostok Amphibia. Then Orient Crystal. Interesting case. Next, Raketa Quartz. And now, this bag. This is where things get really interesting. More painted dials. I'm actually trying to find the source of these and contact the seller, but it's not easy. Look at this. USSR space theme. Nude art. More space. UFO. Cosmonaut with alien. Diver with shark. This is real art. Do you like these dials? More space theme. Girl with Volkswagen Beetle. Amazing. More space. Next, Vostok Komandirsky. Then Seiko, good condition. More amphibia. Next, Slava quartz. Then again, painted dial, space theme. Next, Komandirsky. And another amphibia. And this is interesting. Ukrainian coat of arms dial. Very beautiful. Next, Orient 3-star. And another one. Next, Jacques Le Mans. Need to check value. Next, more Orient 3-star. And Bulver needs restoration. Then again, Orient 3-star. Next, Vostok Amphibia. And again, painted dial. Look at this ship. Amazing detail. Next, Orient. then Luch quartz, and Luch resonator. Next, Slava, and another Slava, needs restoration. Next, Amphibia diver, and another Vostok, 1950s. Beautiful dial. And the last watch today, Orient 3 Star. All right, let's do a quick valuation. We have 8 painted dial watches times $180 equals $1,440. Nine loose painted dials times $100 equals $900. Orient and multi-calendar models. 7 pieces times $200 equals $1,400. Orient 3 Star. 11 pieces times $130 equals $1,430. Amphibia, 3 times $180 equals $540. 7 times $130 equals $910. 3 times $100 equals $300. Soviet watches. 10 pieces times $80 equals $800. And that's without Panerai, Casio, Montblanc. Those still need evaluation. Other groups. 4 watches times $50 equals $200. 3 watches times $40 equals $120. 3 watches, restoration, times $20 equals $60. Total, so far, 62 watches and 9 dials, $8,100. So tell me in the comments, which watch did you like the most? And one more question, do you think that Panerai is real? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss the next episode, because that's where we finish everything and announce the giveaway winner.